In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a footnote in Microsoft Word step by step. If you've been looking for a footnote shortcut or need to fix your citations, this is the only guide you'll need to get it done in just seconds. I'll demonstrate two methods. The last one will surprise you because it just takes 1 second. Let's get started. For method 1, click on the text on which you want to insert the footnote. Click References. Click Insert Footnote. You'll see a number 1 at the bottom of the page. Your cursor jumps automatically to that position. Type the footnote, e.g. source, Mastering Microsoft Word by Kisawa Geoffrey. In the second method, we shall use a shortcut. Click where you want the footnote to appear. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus F. Type the footnote. If you have multiple footnotes to add, just follow the procedure again to add footnote number 2, 3, 4, etc. And that's how you can insert a professional footnote in seconds. If this helped you, follow for more quick Microsoft Word tips. Check out my other videos for more ICT tutorials. Thanks for watching.